morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world you know there. Today a day, you know. And as I was helping my little son do some homework, he took me further down a memory lane, you know. Yes, man. You remember back in the day when people used to pass their exam and their name come out in a Gleaner? Make I tell you something. I have vivid memories of that, you know. I remember the morning, man, when exam result come out, my mother wake up early, and me and her walk up a little top way, man, having a little stall when sell a Gleaner. And when she buy a Gleaner, you know, she take up a Gleaner, and you know, say different sections of a Gleaner. But she take a Gleaner, and remember when she take up your middle section, and I tell you something, man, she hope need, so you know, and right there up on the little wall we sit down, you know, and me go over her and look. And let me tell you something, when she hope me is sent a Gleaner, you know, and me see she do a thing like this with her finger, and she look under Alpha, she no look under no other school, you know, cause that's my first choice, and she just do a thing like this with her finger, and when she reached now, she said, "Here, draw hand, Marie Smith," and she said, "Thank you, Jesus. All of my work was not in vain." And make I tell you something. You see, me and my mother hug up there, so you know, and we jump and we just a smile and a laugh. And my mother say, "Little girl, me proud of you, you know. You make me proud." Make I tell you something. Them there memories, you know. Drop a line below, man, and make me hear for no memory of back in the day. If you don't remember when exam result come out and you look forward to it. Even if I never know whether you know cousin or no little sister, anybody like that, drop a line below, man, and make me hear for no memory. Examination result back in the day and no name in I center Gleaner. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening, or night, any which part of the world you know there. Memories.